What's the meaning of bicycle? Bicycle. Bicycle.
Bicycle. Bicycle. A bicycle is a vehicle with two wheels, powered by human pedaling. First invented in the 19th century, bicycles have since become a popular form of transportation and recreation around the world. They come in different shapes and sizes, from road bikes designed for speed to mountain bikes built for off-road terrain. The benefits of cycling include improved physical fitness, reduced carbon emissions, and cost-effective transportation. Bicycling has also become a competitive sport, with races such as the Tour de France drawing international attention. Despite advances in motorized transportation, the humble bicycle remains an enduring symbol of freedom, health, and sustainability.